Okay, so Flora said, "Hi Tad, I was just wondering about the philosophy page we're working on for our website." So Flora's referring to in the point of view program we do. The main homework is to create a My Philosophy page on your website, and there's a whole workbook that we've created. It's on sale on my website, and it's got there's a whole template of how to do it. For the purpose of this point of view semester, I'm focusing on one subgroup or niche, as you've recommended, creative professionals who sit too much and are in pain. Great, very clear. Do I write my philosophy page for that subgroup? Do I then link this page to my written offer for the subgroup? Do I write more philosophy pages for other subgroups I have and what I have offers for people struggling with self-esteem and body language, for instance? Or is this philosophy page about all the work I offer, regardless of sub niche? What is the difference between a landing page, philosophy page, sales page? Okay, there's a lot of questions there. So it depends, Flora, where you're at in your business. Now, if you want to focus your business for the moment, just for ease, and I'll give it 3, 6, 9, 12 months to just focus on these office workers with the back pain. Was it? Yeah. Or they sit too much and they're in pain. So, or creative professionals rather. So if you're wanting to just focus on that in your business for a while, which is something I recommend, sometimes it's not that you turn other people away, but it's in your marketing, all you focus on is one group. Just have some mercy on yourself. You're trying to reach so many different groups, so many different problems is so hard. So if you're doing that, then yes, your My Philosophy page will just speak to that. And it'll be your philosophy about why people are in pain and the connection to being too sedentary and all that. Now, if you say, no, 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 I really don't want to narrow like that, that's not going to work, then yeah, the My Philosophy page has to be about all the work, creative professionals who sit too much or are in pain, people who are struggling with self-esteem, people who are having troubles with body language. I don't know what that means, but yeah, then it would be about the big picture of all of it. And so is the philosophy page about all the work I do, just the sub niches, right? It depends what you're doing with your business. Could you write a My Philosophy page for each of them? Yeah, but I wouldn't. I would just have one My Philosophy page that either you've got a real specific niche or you've got a few sub niches that you're still trying to sort out. So step back and do the My Philosophy for all of it, which is going to be a little harder because the My Philosophy page, when we're writing that page, our point of view is all, they don't want to just know our point of view about life in general. They want to know our perspective on how to best get from island A to island B. So you see what I'm saying? If the island A is fuzzy and island B is fuzzy, then the point of view is going to be fuzzy. But if we get a very specific A and B, then that allows the point of view to be really clear in a way that it can't be otherwise. What's the difference between a landing page, philosophy page, and a sales page? Well, so the landing page, that could mean a lot of things. But if we mean the home page on your website, I think of the home page as a kind of almost like a table of contents of your website, but it's basically for them. This is number one. It's for them and it's about them. It's welcoming them to your work. Hey, if you're on this page, you are this kind of, it's not me and who I am. It's if you're on my page, you're this kind of person struggling with these things. And you introduce yourself briefly, you share your point of view a little bit, make sure here's who it's a fit for, and then here's where you get the free stuff, or here's where you take the next step. That's mostly the purpose of the homepage. The My Philosophy page is okay, so you hit the homepage, seemed relevant to you. Maybe you poked around my website, you read my story, and that resonates with you, and you're thinking about working with me, but you'd really like to know a bit more about how I see this work that I do. So, marketing for hippies, okay, I mean, I like the name. A friend told me, I read your homepage, that seems like me. But am I going to spend a bunch of money? Am I going to sign up for your membership? I don't know. I'd like to know more about how you see things. So then the My Philosophy page is a kind of it's a distilled form of them getting to know. Now my signature workshop, it's, if you could think of a point of view as like an accordion, and the homepage is very contracted expression of point of view. My Philosophy page, we can pull it out a bit. A signature workshop, we can expand the accordion a bit more. If you do a day-long workshop, you can expand it even more. If you write a book, even more. So it's a growing, shrinking contraption, this point of view business. And the sales page is for a very specific offer, which will probably have point of view in it as well, because the offer is going to be a very specific island A and B or a very specific product. And either way, you're going to be sharing your point of view about the journey from A to B or your point of view about that product. So that's that. Now,